So what's going on? What's going on? I'm back with another video, and as you can see from the title, I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I just recently got this phone, and I think I made the great choice because of the fact that Samsung always provides such a good quality product. Now, granted, there are a few devices that have kind of like solid their reputation, but the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is definitely one of those really good devices that is really important. I always specifically go for the Plus versions of the devices for the simple fact that I got such a big hand. And this comparison, I have a really big head, so my hand shows that my hand is big. So, also, without further ado, here's the phone itself. I got the white version that has like a kind of a shimmer off of it. It kind of looks blue in certain angles. But, yeah, this is it. And to further prove about my hand size, this is what I was talking about. So you look, hand, phone. So it makes good in regards to that particular regard. One thing, I actually came from an iPhone. Me personally, I'm not one of those super biased people that's like, I gotta have an iPhone or I gotta have an Android. Like, that doesn't bother me. I don't care. As long as the phone allows me to do what I need to do, which is gonna be my online banking, my online purchasing, my checking my email, checking my analytics here on YouTube, um, making and receiving a phone call, making and receiving, sending and receiving a text, so on and so forth. The typical stuff that a smartphone does. So, I mean, that is the most important thing, and that is the reason why I got this phone. But feels good in my hand. 6.4-inch screen, which is the biggest phone I've ever had. And as you saw in the top right corner, it doesn't have a notch, which is pretty cool. It does double tap to bring the screen back in focus, so you can do it, and it's really quick with the facial recognition. And as you can see, I got my favorite anime Bleach on the front, and me and my lovely wife on my unlock screen. But I have no complaints. It's a really good phone. No notch, which is something that I never had a problem with, but a lot of people did. I think this particularly is pretty cool how they deal with the front-facing camera instead of making it into a notch like other previous phones have done. They are doing what's called a hole punch type of situation. The hole punch more refers to just a single camera, but the Samsung Galaxy S10 has a dual front camera, which is pretty cool. I'm definitely feeling that. It enhances the quality of pictures you can take with the phone itself. And then, of course, the back has the typical flash, but it has 3 cameras. One is a telephoto lens, which is usually unparalleled in regards to the quality you can do from a distance. And this I know because I also am a photographer on the side. But just the level of quality, it almost is as good as the pictures I take with my regular cameras. And with my expertise specifically, it is actually. But it's very fluid. Allows me to go through different videos, different screens or whatnot without issue. Smart Launcher 5 is my desktop of choice. It definitely helps me to get through everything really quickly. It organizes all your apps, so it's not like you have to go and make each individual folder for your app. It actually automatically looks at the type of apps that you have on your phone, and it has a set number of different groups, and then it sorts all of your apps based on the groups that are in there already. So it's pretty cool. I like it. Like I said, it's very uh, helps to minimize your time on having to sort your apps through your phone. Also makes them easier to navigate. One thing I like about Samsung phones is it has the multitask feature. You can pull from the right side of the screen, and it actually shows you exactly some shortcuts to apps that you use on a regular basis. And of course, it has this edit button, so you can go in and change out the apps as you prefer. So that's one really cool feature. You just simply, for instance, like right here, you can simply hit the minus button to move an app, and then you can scroll, and then let's see, just for the fun of it, we will put Planet Fitness. So you can just slide that over just like so, and there you have it. It's really cool. I'm digging all the features. Um, the slide down is just like I imagined, because way back in the day I had a Note 4, and that doesn't seem to have changed too much. Of course, you still have the ability to customize this menu as well, so that works. Uh, but in any sense, if you have any particular things you want to say about it, do you like it, do you love it, do you hate it, how do you feel about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus? So leave those comments down in the comment section below. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get more content in the future. And I will check you guys out. By the way, I think I'll have settled on a name for the peoples that subscribe and all that kind of stuff. You'll be the Fluent Crew. So, Fluent Crew, until next time, I'll catch you later. Take it easy.